Good morning, friends. Today, our topic is parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. First one is noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. And first part of speech is noun. So that we'll get more about noun. Friends, basically, what do you know about noun? A part of speech which says about a person, place, and thing. It is also called as naming word. Means basically a noun is a naming word. Means it will be saying the name about person. For example, my name is Dhanushri. I am a person, but it is saying a name for me. And the place means we cannot say that area, that place, so that it will give some name that is called Bangalore, Mysuru, Raichur, and all. And thing, what we'll say for this thing? We can't say writing thing, no. So that we'll say this as a pen. So that this is the example of nouns. And the examples of nouns are the sun shines bright, means the sun is a what? Is a thing or a person also we can say. And Akbar was a great king. Akbar is a name, is a person. Okay. As we know, it is a subject and it is a predicate. It is the subject and it is the predicate. Next one is adjective. The part of speech which describes the verb is called adjective. Means the part of speech. For example, here, he is a brave boy. He, brave, means brave is explaining the boy. The word brave is explaining the boy. What we'll say he is a boy means he is just a boy. Which type of boy means we'll say he is a brave boy. That describing word is called the adjective. Other example is she is a clever girl. Clever. Clever is the describing means that clever is describing that girl. So that is called the adjective. Next one is pronoun. The part of speech which is used in the place of noun. For example, in the place of noun, in behalf of noun, it is used. The examples are John is absent because he is ill. We cannot say John is absent because John is ill. We cannot say that, it will be like not making the sense. So that we will use John is absent because he is ill. He means the pronoun. In the place of John, we are taking he. That's all. Next one is the verb. The part of speech which says about action. Example, the part of speech which we use it for action. Example, I have written the paper neatly. Means written. Writing is an action. So that she has written the paper neatly. He or she has written the paper neatly. Not only writing, like singing, dancing, other all the examples of the verb only. Next one is adverb. The part of speech which adds other expression to the verb is called adverb. For example, add plus verb, adverb. See the part of speech which gives other explanation. For example, quick. Quick is the action. Quick plus ly, quickly. That is called adverb, which adds ly and give other expression also. That is called adverb. Not only quickly and slowly. Yes, slow is a action. Ly we will add means we will get slowly. Okay. Next one is preposition. The part of speech which explains the relation between noun and pronoun with adding one more word. Means noun and pronoun have link. We'll say no. In the place of noun we'll take pronoun. But here the preposition will give in the place of noun, not for the noun, and for the pronoun it will give the link. For example, there is a cow in the garden. See, there it is not a human person. It is some like animal only. So that they are taking there. There is a cow. It is a noun. It is a pronoun. So that both are linking, both are explaining the relation that it is in the garden. Here in is the preposition, so that the definition is the noun and the pronoun which explains the relation between the noun and the pronoun with adding one word. that is called preposition. There, without adding this in, we can get any sentence. We'll get like this: there is a cow, the garden, where it is in. In is very important, so that is called the preposition. Next one is conjunction, the part of speech which joins two words or sentences is called two sentences. Which or joins two sentences is called conjunction. For example, 2 and 2 make 4. We say 2 to make 4 means anything is different. No. 2 and 2 make 4. 2 to make 4. How much difference? So that if we add a and d, and that makes the difference. So that here it is adding two words. 2 and 2 make 4. So that is called conjunction. Next is interjection, the part of speech which shows sudden feelings. For example, means which we show the sudden feeling. That the example is, alas, she has failed in exam. It is alas, hooray, hippie, all will say no. So that alas means very sad expression that she has failed in exam. Understood? And I have given some homework for you. First one I'll do for you. He was only a yard of me. Which type of year? Here see, here is here. He means which it will come? I think so, pronoun. Yeah, it's pronoun only. So that the answer is pronoun. So that you have to see the examples. You have to go through the video and do this homework. Okay, bye.